Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Aaron, and I just wanted to record a quick video just to explain kind of the purpose of the channel, who I am, and where we're going. So to start off with a little bit about what I want to accomplish here, I am a brand new developer, fresh out of a coding boot camp, and I just kind of want to track where you go from graduation to job market to finding a job and what it's like day one as a developer onward. So that's kind of where we're going with this video series. The scope of this channel may change over time, but that's where we're at right now, and I hope you guys enjoy. So sit back and let me explain a little bit more about myself to you. All right, so to start off with, I guess a little bit about me and my background, job history. I, in the most immediate past, worked as a retail sales manager at a large retail cell phone company. And before that, I worked in food and beverage for a little bit. I bartended, served, was a server, and I worked in the movie theater industry for a while. All the way from like being an usher to managing a movie theater. I had no coding experience coming into the boot camp that I went to, except for like 2 hours on Codecademy. Um, I am from Ohio. I live in Durham, North Carolina right now. And when I decided that I kind of wanted to look into code, I decided that I wanted to go to the Iron Yard. It's a place down here in Durham. They're all through the South and a little bit in other places now too. And I took the front end engineering class. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, all of that good stuff. Right now, as far as like where I'm at, I started the boot camp, what is it, 16 weeks ago now. I've graduated. It was a month, 2 days ago. So I've been in the job market for a month and I'm still looking. I'm in the process for a couple of different places and just applying to jobs every day and trying to keep my skills up to date and learning new stuff every day. So from here on out, everything that happens with my job hunt and all of that, I'm going to document and put into videos for you guys. And then once I do get a job, I'm going to take you down that path with me. And I just hope that it helps some people when they're thinking about going to boot camp or they're thinking about getting into the job market. And here comes my lovely cat Leo, who's going to show you guys his rear and wants some cuddles. I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, so Leo's right there, so if he tries to run back into the frame, I apologize. But who doesn't need more cats in their life, right? Anyways, so back on track, I wanted to share a little bit more about me just as a person. My background is in creative writing. I have a degree in that. I spend a lot of time writing screenplays, TV scripts, stuff like that. And that's kind of where I stuck my creative energy before I got into code. One of the biggest reasons why I wanted to get into code was because it allowed me to be creative and analytical, and I could be a problem solver, which is something that I missed in my day-to-day life in retail or food and beverage. Those aspects of code are awesome, and if you have that kind of brain, if you're talented in those kind of things, you picked the right path. If you're already a developer and if you're thinking about what you want to do, definitely check it out. Past that, I enjoy movies. I enjoy TV shows. Obviously, I like to write them, so I like to watch them. I enjoy sports a lot. I'm a big Buckeyes fan. Go Ohio State. The Reds, the Bengals. I'm a New York Knicks fan. Apparently, I don't like good professional teams. I don't know. No offense. But yeah, I love sports. I love staying active, going to the gym, trying to jog, even with bad knees. I like cooking and music. I love music. Who doesn't? I guess I'm pretty generic as far as my hobbies go. But yeah, so that's a little bit more about me. All right, so to wrap this up, I just wanted to say thanks for checking out my channel. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions about where we're going, what it was like to be in the boot camp. And speaking of that, down in the description, I have a link to a blog that I started when I got into the boot camp and the Iron Yard. And I went through and wrote a weekly blog post every week, all the way up until week 10. And then I kind of stopped because we were in the midst of final projects. It was very stressful and I didn't have a lot of time and it just kind of fell apart. I do plan on in the next couple of days writing like a retrospective on what it was like those last couple of weeks and what it's been like since. And feel free to check that out. Comment down below, subscribe if you want to follow along in my journey. I promise I'll get back to you if you comment, so ask questions, be interactive, because that's what YouTube's about. Hit the like button if you don't mind, share it, Twitter, Facebook, I would love you forever if you did that. So yeah, check back in the next couple of days. I should have a video up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.